Alam mo ba na may tamang pera para sa tamang sitwasyon? Pero karamihan, halo-halo. Savings na pang-emergency, emergency fund na ginagawang paluwagan, at worst, investment na inaasahang parang ipon. Kaya ngayon, lilinawin natin ano ba talaga ang difference ng savings, emergency fund, at investments. Kung hindi mo to alam, baka dito na pupunta ang sahod mo. Naglalaho. Stay tuned! Welcome back to Wealthy Mindset, ang channel kung saan pinifix natin ang mindset para ma-fix rin ang wallet. Unahin natin ang savings. Ito ang perang madali mong makuha anytime. Usually nasa bank, e-wallet, or alkansya. Pero sana hindi alkansyang nababasag. Ang purpose nito, for short-term goals, daily and weekly needs, pang-oops moments, pero hindi pang major emergencies. Example, pang-bayad ng bills, pang-budget sa groceries, pang-date kung biglang nagyaya si special someone. Think of it as money you need soon. Pero tandaan, kung ang savings mo ay nasa wallet lang, hindi yan savings. Yan ay temptation. Better to keep it in a basic savings account para secured at hiwalay sa daily gastos. Susunod ay ang emergency fund. Ito ang pera para sa life emergencies. Hindi pang shopping, hindi pang gadget, hindi pang last sale na talaga. Dapat 3 to 6 months ng inyong monthly expenses. Para kanino? Para sa iyo, future self na may biglaang problema. Halimbawa, nawala ng work, na ospital, nasiraan ng sasakyan, biglang kailangang lumipat ng tirahan. Ang importante nito, dapat madaling ma-withdraw but not too easy. Hiwalay sa savings, huwag i-invest dahil emergency siya. Kailangan laging ready. Think of it as money you hope you never use. Pero thankful ka na meron. Kung sakaling may emergency ka bukas, ilang months ang kaya mong buhayin ang sarili mo? Comment ready kung may fund ka na or starting today kung magsisimula ka pa lang. Finally, investments. Ito ang pera na hindi mo magagalaw for years. Hindi weeks, hindi months, years. Ang purpose nito, long-term growth, wealth building, financial freedom. Pwede ito sa stocks, mutual funds, real estate, at business. Ito ang pera na may potensyal maging 100 pesos to 10,000 pesos to 100,000 pesos dahil sa compounding. Pero warning, ang investments hindi pang emergency at pang daily gastos. Why? Kasi may risk, may ups and downs, may times na magiging negative ang portfolio mo. Normal lang yan. Think of it as money working for your future, not for your today. To summarize, una, savings, pera for short-term goals. Pangalawa, emergency fund, pera for life emergencies. Pangatlo, investments, pera for long-term growth. Ito ang tamang order. Build savings, build emergency fund, start investing. Hindi pwedeng baliktad. Hindi pwedeng mauna ang investment kung wala ka pang-emergency fund. At hindi pwedeng emergency fund na nasa GCash wallet lang. Remember, ang tunay na may wealthy mindset, may sistema, not drama. Now, alam mo na ang difference ng savings, emergency fund, at investments. Kung gusto mo pang matuto ng simple pero powerful money strategies, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and share mo to sa friend mong laging broke sa 15. This is Wealthy Mindset. Alamin, i-apply at baguhin ang buhay pinansyal mo. See you on our next video.